Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to transfer your money from your Steam wallet to your bank account in 2025 and what is actually possible. Now, you need to understand that Steam has strict rules about the withdrawals. So let me show you the only real methods that people use. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So when you come here on store.steampower.com, when you log in into your account and go to your profile, if you take a look at your Steam wallet, you will be able to see your balance. But unfortunately, you won't be able to see any of the withdraw option because currently Steam does not allow you to directly withdraw your Steam wallet money to your bank account or PayPal or any of the cards that you are using. Steam wallet funds are logged to the Steam ecosystem, and currently there is no official method for you to cash out the wallet balance directly. But you can convert the Steam wallet value indirectly, and here are the methods or the approaches that people use. So first of all, you can sell your skins, your cards, or the items on the Steam market. The money goes back to your Steam wallet and not to your bank. This also cannot be withdrawn. It can only be spent on Steam. Now, the second method is that if you are a Steam developer or a workshop creator with approved paid content, your earnings are paid to you via the bank transfer or the PayPal. So this is the only official way to move the money from Steam into your bank account. But this method too requires a Steam work developer account or the approved workshop monetization. You can't actually withdraw the normal Steam wallet funds. Now, there are some of the common tricks which you need to avoid, like people may suggest you to selling the Steam items on any of the websites or trading the skins for the real money. But these are the methods that are really very risky and can get your Steam account permanently banned under the values rules. So if you want to keep your account safe, I would highly recommend you to avoid any of the unofficial cash out services. And that's the truth about transferring your Steam wallet money to your bank account in 2025. The clear cut thing is that Steam doesn't allow any kind of withdrawals, and the only legit cash out is through the official game or the workshop earnings. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.